Hello again, it's Jim and Frank in the showroom at American Metal Roofs in Flint. And today, because we got a little snow over the weekend, we wanted to talk about what's required with metal roofing in northern climates. What is different about how an American metal roof is installed versus some other roofs, maybe some southern roofs?
Great question, and the timing is perfect. When we get snow like we've just gotten the last couple of days and are going to get some more, we start getting snow sliding off of metal roofs. And as a result, if that roof is not designed for sliding snow, literally the trims on the roof will get torn off.
Whoa.
And I can share with you how. This is a typical trim that a metal shingle would slide into. Okay. So I'll just grab a piece here, share that with you. So imagine, Jim, that you've got the metal roof in this piece of trim. This is on the gable side, the roof's coming down here. Okay. And you have another ridge over here in a valley, and the snow comes down off of that upper peak, slides across the roof. What's it going to do? It's going to grab this outer edge and rip it right off.
Really?
So as a result, such as this morning, we get a phone call that says, "Do you fix metal roofs?" Well, we already know what the problem is. Okay,
Sure.
They're going to describe to us how this got ripped off, or as the snow froze into that, then it moved, it rips it off. Okay,
Wow, okay.
Very, very common. The fix for that is a trim called snow country trims.
Okay.
And American metal roofs are designed with snow country trims. In other words, the shingle is bent to fit down in that trim.
Okay, so it's not, the edge isn't up to be torn off.
Correct. So as the snow slides, it goes over that edge. There's nothing there to grab. Okay.
All right.
Yes, it takes more work. Each shingle is cut, then it's formed, and then it's fitted into the trim. But the trims don't get torn off. Okay. Example. This is a snow country trim.
All right.
Here you can see how it's tucked down. You get a beautiful scallop look versus how many roofs are done up here as an example.
So
snow sliding down from there's going to come across here, grab that trim and rip it right off the roof.
tear it right off. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Another problem place is valleys. So you have a valley such as this. This is a snow country valley.
All right.
A snow country valley is designed so that the shingle is custom crafted and locks into.
Oh, I see. Okay.
It locks into the valley. So as snow is sliding down and comes across, this being locked in doesn't get ripped off. Versus valleys that are designed that are not locked in. For instance, that one up there is not.
That one, yeah.
Snow coming from that upper side would hit this demonstration model and peel and lift those shingles right off the roof.
It's that powerful. Snow and ice are that powerful to move these.
Yeah.
these
When
shingles.
you get small snows like we've just experienced now, where it's 3 to 6 inches, what happens is that snow is going to come down, it's going to pack in there, and it's going to freeze. It's cold out.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Then, as you get more and more snow, such as I just came through Gaylord, okay, and they've got 15, 18 inches now. Soon that will be 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, and when it warms up a little bit, that snow slides with great force and will rip that roof right off.
Wow.
And hence, the phone calls start coming. I will tell you, no, we cannot fix that roof. Nobody can fix that roof. That roof is a total. Our best customer is those that gain information up front. Just because the roof is designed for Tennessee does not mean it's going to function well in Michigan.
Okay, so snow country trims are a really important aspect of an American metal roof and an important aspect of a metal roof in Michigan.
Yes.
Anywhere where you've got deep snow loads,
Yes.
that's going to protect your roof.
And so the homeowner knows this product is exclusive to American Metal Roofs in Michigan.
Wow, okay.
Okay.
And that, being in here and being able to look at these demonstration models, another great reason to come to the showroom, right?
Absolutely.
So you can see the differences and understand.
All of these models are designed to show people the problems, what they should do, what they shouldn't do. Sometimes it doesn't cost any more. It's just having that knowledge to know what is the right product to put on the roof.
Okay, cool. So our showroom is open during the week, during weekdays. Stop by. We've got a showroom in Charlotte, Michigan, and also here in Flint. And remember, snow country. If you're thinking about a metal roof, make sure you look at snow country trims for your roof. For now, it's Frank Farmer and Jim Anderson from the showroom in Flint at American Metal Roofs.